Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. On this channel, I show you guys how I take care of my 4A hair and hoping that you guys can watch enough videos to gain enough confidence to take care of your own hair. In this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how I prep my hair for wash day, and what I'll be doing is stretching my hair out so that my hair is easier to detangle in the shower when it's time to use a deep conditioner to detangle my hair after I shampoo my scalp. What I'll be using is a spray bottle with water, Alikay Naturals Shea Yogurt hair moisturizer, some hair clips, and hair shears. The whole time throughout this process, I'll be using my fingers to help stretch my hair and possibly do a little bit of detangling, but the whole point of this is to stretch my hair and not really detangle it, so I won't be running my fingers or any utensils through my hair to try to detangle it right now. I'm going to mainly just stretch my hair right now, just so that it's easier to detangle later. So, my first step to doing this is to take a section of my hair, add a clip where I need my hair to be held out of the way, and start to stretch that section with my fingers. If there are any knots that I find that are not able to pull out by simply separating the strands, that's where I go ahead and I grab the hair shears to cut them out. I tend to find that sometimes hairs that have shedded get stuck, and so this helps to remove those shedded hairs and to find any knots that are already going on in that section. Once I'm done stretching with my fingers a bit, I add water and do that same kind of process again until I feel like my hair is stretched out enough, and then I add the shea yogurt. I add a little by little until I feel as though that section is completely covered with it. Once I'm done doing that and the shea yogurt is completely covered this section, I go ahead and I bantu knot that section and I move on to the next one. I repeat these steps all throughout my head until I'm completely finished. So this is my hair once I'm done doing everything. I typically like to do this before wash day because sometimes I don't have time to wash my hair that same day, and so taking that hour or so the day before to do this to my hair saves me a lot of time when it comes to washing my hair in the shower. It makes my hair so much more manageable, and especially when my hair is at the state that it was before I did this, it makes wash day a lot less intimidating. So I definitely recommend trying this out to see if it helps you, if wash day is very intimidating for you. If you have any favorite scalp oils, or maybe you like to do a pre-poo, this is a perfect time to put that oil onto your scalp because you have direct access to it, and it'll allow it to penetrate a little bit better than if you were to just put it in while your hair was completely out and all over the place. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now using that red button below. If there's anything that you think I missed, or maybe you have any comments or suggestions or concerns or questions, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below, and follow me, interact with me, and connect with me on all social media at indianLiv. Thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, yeah? Alright, bye!